Be serious. There's some of the crap coming out of the block. So we got the bottom radiator hose attached, and so I just took the thermostat off and have that hose sitting there. And we're pushing up to the block. I was shooting through that hole first. Tons of dark greenness came out. Should we try capping that and blowing out of the hose? See if you can put your hand over that. It'll come out of the hose. Oh, yeah, there we go. Where is it? Okay, take that somewhere. Nasty, nasty. Gross. There's some stuff coming out though for sure. Jeez. Alright, here.
What are we doing?
Blast I say you blast through here one last time. Just shoot the last of the crap out of that. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty bad, but getting there. All right, so thermostat's in. I can't see. Where is it? Oh wow, you look like you're really struggling. It's fun. You know what you need to do?
Yeah,
No,
smack you in the head.
You're doing a good job, but you should turn that the clamp up here so we don't have to go down there to undo it. Intake system. And then my man went ahead and heat wrapped the whole thing. Full professional job if you can't tell. Even the intake pipe. Not a big deal.
Saves a lot of heat, man.
That's right, brother.
Every 10 degrees, you get 1 more horsepower.
What? Is that real?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
On the intake.
On the intake side, yeah.
All right. IATs matter. All right. You said it was thermocool.
Thermocure. I'm sorry, I got it wrong.
Okay, so you dump a whole
thing, and then it treats up to 5 gallons of radiator water. So now you put in our particular instance, we have a 3-gallon system. So we're putting in distilled water now.
So technically we put on too much thermocure.
No. It's up to 5 gallons.
Up to 5, okay.
And if you get thirsty while you're doing this, this distilled water is good for you.
No, it's not. It's bad for you.
Why? It has no minerals.
Yeah.
Can't be bad for you.
I'm pretty sure it's bad for you.
Why? People drink distilled water all the time.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think it's good for you, though.
Well, let's show. I'm going to show you.
You gotta drink some?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the downfall of you right here.
Here we go. You ready?
Oh, God.
Oh, my God. That is bad for you.
Get her fired up here. Interesting. That'll be better for
Lighting.
fuel consumption too.
Yeah. Oh, it's sipping fuel now.
Yeah. It doesn't even vibrate, dude. Just say that. You gonna see the biggest muffler in the whole world? Holy Toledo, Batman! But I need to pull this out. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. You just look at that. That's how it's supposed to be. Little Americaner. Tonk stance. Looks good, man. What you doing, man? You getting that wire done? Oh, yeah. Carlos right now.
Hello, girl. Hey, okay, my quarter.
All right, strip that up, and then reverse camera will be back.